All right, so the first thing we're going to want to do is recognize that we need to rewrite this as y equals -4 sine of 2 times x plus pi over 4. Because when I factor out that 2 times x will give me back the 2x, and 2 times pi over 4 reduced gives me pi over 2. Okay, so that's the first thing you want to do. So then from here, the first graph I'm going to make is a regular old sine curve. So sine curves look like this. Pi over 2, I'm going to put 1, pi, right? 3 pi over 2 down here. Finally, 2 pi, I'm over here. So here's my purple-ish looking graph, and that one is the sine of x. Okay, I'm going to pick a different color now, and I'm going to go blue. So the next one on my graph is going to be y equals the sine of x plus pi over 4. So what that's going to do is that's going to give me a phase shift pi over 4 units to the left. So this one goes here, this one goes here, this one comes here, this one comes here, and finally this one comes here. So now I have this blue curve here, sinusoidal curve, pi over 4 to the left. Okay, change colors. We'll go orange. And we'll go y equals, how about the sine of 2 times x plus pi over 4. So what this means is that 2 pi divided by 2 gives me a period of pi. So that means that if I start here, I need to end at a period of pi, which is over here. This right here, this is a distance of pi. So I need to create a full sine curve on that distance. Well, I'm going to start at negative pi over 4. I'm going to end at 3 pi over 4. So I'm a sine curve, so halfway between I'll be at 0, quarter of the way I'll be up at 1, 3/4 of the way I'll be down at -1. So here is my new periods for the sine curve, sine 2x plus pi over 4. And then finally, I'll pick a different color here, and we'll go green, I guess. So that will give me -4 sine 2 times x plus pi over 4. So I'll erase this so we can work with it a little bit. So the -4 means a reflection and an amplitude of 4. So this one stays here. If I reflect this down to -1, but then increase the amplitude to 4, it'd be moved down to there. That one stays there. Reflect and increase to 4, and this one stays here. So my final curve ends up looking like this. And again, the amplitude is measured from the center line, the midline here, to the top, so that needs to be 4 units. I have a period of pi, I have a reflection, and I have a phase shift. Awesome.